Hey, it's Michael LaFida with your quick real estate update. I'm going to share with you both positive and negative news on this video. So let's talk with the positive. Overall in Chicagoland, across the country, there's still a shortage of inventory. So if you have to sell and your home is priced fairly reasonably, good chance you will sell it. Inventory is at an all-time low. So that's the positive. The downside, the negative would be that consumer confidence is really low now when it comes to real estate because interest rates are high, again, over 7%, which is the highest it's been in 20 years, so that's not positive. 70% of people that currently own a home, their current interest rate is 4% or less. So why am I going to sell when my interest rate's at 3 or 3.5%, 4%, and lock in a rate at 7% unless they're a cash buyer? So that's holding things back. Many consumers feel home prices will go down. It's double the historic average in the last 10 years. Anywhere from 15 to 18% of consumers feel like home prices are going to go down. We're at 35, 37% currently. And again, 38% of people that own a home right now own it free and clear. They don't have a mortgage, 38.7%. And another 30% have 50% or equity or more. So again, they're in a good situation. Why are they going to sell? So those are the negatives. There's a lot of positives, but remember, life is what drives real estate. If this video is helpful to you, leave me a like, comment, share it. Take care.